Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we saw how to create a Jira ticket using Postman with the help of Jira REST endpoints. In this video, we'll see how to create a Jira ticket using REST template with the help of a Spring Boot application. For that, we have to create a simple Spring Boot application with all these dependencies. And we have to create a simple controller and a service class. So in this controller, we have a single endpoint which is ticket.create, which is a post type. It accepts a request body of Jira payload. So what is this Jira payload? This Jira payload is nothing. This payload which we are passing in the JSON format. So what I have done, I've converted this into a Java class. So there is a tool, online tool available to convert this Java JSON object to Java classes. So what you have to do, simply copy all this payload, open this website, JSON schema to Pojo, paste it over here, then give your package name, then your class name, and select this source type as JSON. Once then you select your appropriate options, then click on this preview. It will generate the class for you. You can directly copy these classes, or you can download this as a zip file and extract it and copy those, paste it in your package, in the package. So this is for me, this is the package com.gigstack.demo.model, which I have given over here. So I have pasted that Java classes over here. So this is my model. So if you see in this model, it has also fields, right? In our JSON class also, this has the fields, and fields has the properties like project, summary, description, issue type. So if we come over here, similarly our fields also having project, string, and issue type. This is the summary and this is the string and this is the description. If we go to project class, it has one property called key. Similarly, in the issue type, we have a property called ID. So this is how we generate the Pojo for the payload. And here we are calling this Jira ticket service dot create ticket by passing this payload. So now I come to the service class. In the service class, we are reading all these properties like the username, secret, the base URL and ticket URL from the application.yml. Here I have mentioned all this property over here. Using this REST template, I am making this call to the Jira APIs. So for that, what I have done, I have created a bean for the REST template. Now what I am doing, I am making a call to this call to the API using this exchange method by passing this URL and the method type and the payload. Okay, this is the HTTP entity. This HTTP entity accepts two things. One is the payload, the body part, and the header. Right? The header, what this header contains. In this previous video we saw, when you are making the calls using the Postman, we are passing the authorization object, right, which is a basic auth type. So what we are doing over here, using this username and secret, which we are reading from these properties, we are encoding that with the base64 format and passing this, getting this auth order, base space the encoded auth, and passing this in the header with the key authorization. So now what we have to do, we have to start the application. So if you see, my application started at this port 9095 because I have mentioned that my server port is 9095. So my Tomcat started with this port. So now what I have to do, now we have to make a call from the Postman by passing this payload. So if you see, my call is success. I'm getting this response, which you're getting the similar response while you're using from the Postman. So for that, what we have done over here, what we are doing, the response type is our string. So what we are checking, if response not equal to null, we are reading the response body, and the same body we are returning in the controller. So this is the way to create a Jira ticket using the REST template. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.